Every story begins with a scent. Confidence isn't spoken, it's worn. DS Perfume, the moment that stays.
If you sell products online, you already know. Viral videos sell faster than any paid campaign. But here's the problem. Not everyone has a studio, camera, or editing team. What if you could automate the viral video production using an AI video agent? Now imagine this. You just upload your product photo, pick any viral ad you like, and AI recreates the entire video for your brand. Same energy, same pacing, same style. Automatically. I am going to show you two videos. These two videos look identical, but only one was shot by a real production team. The other, made entirely by AI. No camera, no actors, no editing. This tool can literally recreate viral product videos in minutes, and it's built on the same engine powering OpenAI's Sora 2.
Tired of your phone's tinny speakers ruining your favorite songs? This smart speaker is an absolute must-have. It delivers crystal clear highs and deep, rich bass that fills the entire room. Plus,
Ever get that travel panic when your phone's about to die? This Belkin power bank is my lifesaver. It has this super clear digital display so you always know exactly how much power you have left. No more guessing games at the airport. Seeing that number gives me total peace of mind. Plus, it's so sleek and compact it fits perfectly in my travel bag without adding any bulk.
So today, I'm testing one of the craziest tools I've seen in a while. It's called Topview Video Agent, and it's powered by OpenAI Sora 2, the same AI engine that can generate cinematic 1080p videos from text. It can take any viral short video and recreate it for your product with zero editing, no production crew, no timeline, just AI. To be honest, it's going to change how brands, creators, and editors make viral ads. Topview Video Agent uses the Sora 2 engine to analyze a viral video. It reads the camera motion, pacing, and shot structure, and then recreates it in your own brand style with your product. So in this video, I'm going to test it myself. I'll upload a few viral product clips, let the AI recreate them using Topview Video Agent. All right, so let's actually try it out and see how it works in real time. First things first, click the link in the description and it'll take you straight to topview.ai. Once you sign up and log in, you'll land on a dashboard that looks like this. Now, this dashboard is packed with options. You've got things like avatar video, product avatar, marketing video, and a ton of other creation tools. But today, our focus is on one specific feature, the viral video agent. So right at the top, you'll see a banner that says Sora to Topview Agent is live. Click on Try Agent, and that's where the magic begins. Here, you'll see a clean workspace with a big prompt box in the center. You get three main options. 1. Upload your product image. That's what the AI will feature in your recreated ad. 2. Upload your reference video, the viral clip you want the AI to analyze and recreate. 3. Choose your aspect ratio, vertical for Reels and TikTok, or horizontal for YouTube and ads. Now, one of my favorite parts. If you scroll down, you'll find a whole section of viral videos from different platforms like TikTok and Instagram. So if you don't already have a reference video, you can just browse through these trending ones, pick any that fits your product, and click Recreate. And that's exactly what I'm going to do right now. So, I want to create an ad for my perfume. I'll choose this one and see how AI can create a video like this.
Strong with You Intensely, one of the most viral fragrances ever. One of the best woody, sweet, spicy fragrances in my entire collection. Vanilla, lavender.
So, I'm going to click Recreate, and look what it does. It automatically generates a base prompt for me. It says, generate an ad video for my product by replicating the content of the video I provide. Next, I'll upload my product image. This is the one I want to feature in my video. You can drag and drop, or just upload it directly from your computer. Then, I'll select my aspect ratio, and now I'll hit Generate. So here's what happens next behind the scenes. First, it starts analyzing the media files, breaking down the reference video frame by frame to understand its structure, pacing, and camera movement. Then, it automatically creates what's called a smart plan. This is basically the AI's step-by-step workflow for generating your video. Now, it summarizes the product information as well as the video brief. Then, it designs the video storyboard. Now, before it moves to that final step, it'll ask you to review and confirm the storyboard. I always take a quick look to make sure everything matches my vision. And once it looks good, I hit confirm and proceed to next steps. And finally, it moves into full video generation mode. What's really cool is that all of this happens automatically while I'm doing other work. No need to sit here waiting or manually tweak anything. It's literally like having your own creative studio running in the background. And here we go. The final output is ready. Let's see how it looks.
Meet DS Perfume, my sleek daily go-to. Woody, sweet, and spicy with notes of vanilla, lavender, and coffee. Perfect for dates, meetings, even events where you need to stand out. It lasts for hours and feels effortlessly sensual. Highly recommended.
Okay, wow. That's actually insane. The lighting, the pacing, even the transitions. It feels like a real ad. And this was made completely by AI while I was just clicking a few buttons. That's wild. Now, if you don't want to pick a viral video from the list and instead want to create something entirely your own, like a custom product ad, you can do that too. All you need is your product image and a text prompt that describes your ad concept. So, for this one, I'll upload my perfume image right here. And instead of using a reference video, I'll write my own prompt. Here's my concept. I want a cinematic, luxury-style perfume ad that looks straight out of a high-end campaign. I'll paste the prompt here, read through it once, and make a few small adjustments to match the vibe I'm going for. For this one, I'll switch the aspect ratio to 16:9 because I want it to feel like a professional TV-style commercial, not a vertical reel. And now, I'll hit generate. Just like before, it goes through the same process. First, it analyzes the concept and understands the scenes I described in the prompt. Then, it automatically creates a video outline, builds a storyboard, and once you approve that, it moves on to final video generation. All of this happens on its own, while you sit back and watch the magic happen.
Every story begins with a scent. Confidence isn't spoken, it's worn. DS Perfume, the moment that stays.
Oh my god, this is fire. It legit looks like a $10,000 professional perfume shoot. The lighting, the motion, the atmosphere, it's perfect. I honestly didn't expect this level of realism from an AI-generated ad. And what's crazy is, I created all of this with just a couple of clicks and one prompt. No crew, no camera, no editing, just AI doing all the heavy lifting. So yeah, whether you're recreating a viral ad or building your own concept from scratch, Topview Video Agent gives you both options, and both are insanely powerful. And by the way, I have created a Sora 2 prompt guide that you can check out and create viral videos like the ones you see in your social feed nowadays. Check out Topview Agent today. I have added the link in the description below, along with my Sora 2 prompt guide.